So children, we are starting with question number 7 of exercise 8.2. Let me read the question for you all. In a city, 30% are females. 30% are females. 40% are males. Males are how much? 40%. And remaining are children. We don't know. So what percent are children? So this female, male and children together make the total population of a city, that is 100%. Now we don't know the percentage of children, so we assume it as X. Yes, that means 30% plus 40% plus X will give you 100%. So from there we can find the value of X, that is the percentage of the children in the city, the population of children in the city. Okay, so let's write that the percentage of children, yes, what percent are children? So let the percent of children be X. Then percent of females is 30. Percent of males is 40. Then according to the question, you can write according to the question, or you can write condition. According to the question or according to the condition. Now 30 plus 40 gives you how much? 70. So 70% plus X is equal to 100%. Now this 70 is going to shift that side. So X is equal to 100% minus 70%. That is 30%. The number of children is 30% of the total population. Total voters, okay. Voters means people who vote, we, right? 18 years and above, the adults. Soon you also will be voting. So out of 15,000 voters, in a constituency, मतलब एक group where voting had to take place, 60% voted. Okay, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. So who did not vote? 60% vote and some did not vote. How many did not vote? How much percentage we have to find? Did not vote. So again we assume it as X. Yes. Now X percent plus 60% is the total, that is 100%. Okay. X plus 60 will give the 100%. That means from there we can find the value of X. So again we write, let the of the voters who did not vote be X. Then percentage of the voters who vote. Who voted? How much? 60%. Now we know that X plus 60% is the total. Total means 100%, not this children. This is the number of voters, okay? This is not the percentage of voter. This 15,000 is actually the 100%. Out of which 60% have voted and rest have not voted. So how much have not voted? 100 minus 60, that is 40%. Okay, this is the half part of the question. Let's do it. So X is equal to 100% minus 60%, that is X is equal to 40%. Now, can you now find out how many actually did not vote? That means this 40% is how much of 15,000? Can we find out? Yes. How? We find 40% of 15,000. Okay. So you can write number of voters who did not vote is equal to 40% of 15,000. You can even write 15,000 into 40%. That is 40 by 100. It will be one and the same thing. Okay. करना ये है, चाहे आप 50,000 को पहले लिखो, चाहे आप 40% को पहले लिखो. So 40%, that means 40 per 100 into 15,000. 0, 0 got cancelled. Now 40 into 150. So 4 15s gives us 60. Okay, 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. So 4 15s are 60, and how many zeros? 2 more zeros. Okay, so how many people? 6,000 people did not vote out of 15,000. So answer, we have two answers here, 40% and 6,000 voters. Okay, so this completes question number 8. Children, rest, we will continue